Want to turn form responses into a live dashboard? Today, I'll show you how to connect your SharePoint list with Microsoft Forms using Power Automate and visualize everything in Power BI, step by step. Welcome to Automate M365. In this video, we'll use a SharePoint list with columns like description, department, status, and priority. We'll connect this list with Microsoft Forms so that every new form submission automatically creates a new item in the list. Open Power Automate and create a new automated cloud flow. Use the trigger when a new response is submitted from Microsoft Forms. Add the action Get Response Details. Then add Create Item from SharePoint. Select your site and your list, and map the form responses to the matching columns. Save and test the flow. Next, open Power BI Desktop. Get data from SharePoint Online List and load your list. You can create visuals like a bar chart for items by status, a donut chart for department distribution, and a table showing description, priority, and status. You can publish the report to Power BI Service, or just open Power BI Desktop and refresh it whenever you want updated visuals. That's it. You now have a connected SharePoint list, a Power Automate flow that captures form responses, and a Power BI dashboard to track and visualize your data. Subscribe for more Microsoft 365 automation tutorials.